Hey, I'm the single and engineering student from India with cloud computing as a major field of study. So, I want to give the honest reviews on the Whizlabs. This is the online learning platform that offers a variety of certification courses and practice exams for the IT professionals. First of all, the website is well designed and easy to navigate with a clean and organized layout. The homepage provides the overview of the courses available and the certification exams that Whizlabs prepare you for. I was impressed by the range of courses and offered covering topics such as AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, and more. One thing that stood out to me about Google Labs was their practice exams. These are designed to closely resemble the actual certification exams, which is incredibly helpful when it comes to the preparing for the real thing. Like in couple of weeks, I'm planning to take the AWS Developer Associate exam, and I found the practice exams to be an invaluable tool in identifying the areas where I need to improve my knowledge. The course content itself is of high quality. The lessons are well structured, easy to follow, and include clear explanations and examples. I appreciate being able to work at my own pace and revisit the material as needed. Overall, I would highly recommend Whizlabs to everyone, the professionals also looking to advance their IT skills and prepare for the certification exams like AWS. The platform is user-friendly, the course content is of high standard, the practice exams are an excellent sources for those looking to succeed in their certification exams.
Learn with Whizlabs, Success Certified.